Poul's Kitchen Chef. Paul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing, Amy's in the mood to do some, orange chicken. I don't know why, because I feel like I've been cooking all weekend. But she wants it, so we're going to do it. So I'm not going to film making the chicken. I'm just going to make the orange sauce. I've got 3 oranges here and 2 zest of 2 oranges. They're smaller oranges. So this is basically 1 cup of orange juice and the zest of 2 small oranges. You know, do what you feel is going to be good on that. Actually, before I do that, I forgot to get one little thing I need to do. I love making Amy do a lot of work. She likes it. So I'm going to make a slurry because it's going to go in pretty quick. So I'm going to take about a spoonful of cornstarch. I'm going to leave this out because she's going to need this for the chicken. I'm going to fill this with a little bit of water. Don't need a whole lot. And what you want to do is you want to stir this up really good so it's not clumpy or anything.
Yeah.
It's really important. And I'm going to turn my stove on. And I'm going to pour this in here.
This is going to be good. It's fresh oranges.
Fresh oranges always work better than not fresh oranges. So, I mean, that's what my recommendation would be to use is fresh, but not everybody's going to have access to it, so you can definitely just use orange juice.
I just happen to have access to it today for us.
So I'm going to put the slurry in here. I'm just going to stir that in here. I know I have another one of these. I just don't know where it is.
You can smell how fresh the oranges are too.
So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt in here. I don't need a whole lot. This is Hawaiian black salt. It's not low sodium or no sodium, it is real salt. But with that, we're going to behave ourselves and not put a whole lot in.
Yeah.
We don't need it.
No.
I'm going to put a little bit of chili sauce in here just to give it a little bit of flavor. Keep in mind it's going to kill the orange color. If that's important to you, you can always use a little bit of food coloring, but I wouldn't. So I'm just going to put a little bit of sesame seed oil in.
No, you'll still get the orange flavor even if it's a different color.
Yeah, it's just a color that you're worried about. I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce in. I like using ABC, even though most recipes are going to tell you that they want you to use just regular soy sauce.
Regular soy sauce is thinner, way thinner.
It's very thinner, but it also has
Sodium
in it, and I'm trying to reduce sodium. Yeah, I know that says a lot when I'm talking about just adding black lava salt. I'm starting to use a Spicifer, which is a really good company. You can get them on Amazon. They also have a website too. It's really worth checking out because they're a really good service. And then I'm going to add a little bit of black garlic powder. Most recipes are going to tell you to use garlic, but I kind of find that black garlic powder is better. And instead of adding sugar, we're going to use honey because honey is a lot better. And now we're just going to whisk this together here. And yeah, it's lost a lot of the orange texture, but it kind of still has it. Just a dark orange.
Yeah.
And that's fine, right? I want this for the taste, not necessarily presentation.
The color.
The color is one thing, and it's going to drift off once you start cooking it.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of people are going to tell you, oh yeah, you have to deep fry it to make this. We're going to make about a cup of rice, and then we're going to take a couple chicken breasts, we're going to cut it apart, season it, and then we're going to cook it. Then we're going to, once it's all done being cooked, we're going to put it on a bed of rice. We're going to put it on, we're going to put chicken on top, and then we're going to pour a little bit of sauce in. That's really all it is.
Sounds yummy.
It's going to be good. We're going to let this cook up a bit here. And then once it starts cooking, I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool down. We're not in a rush. It's not worth rushing for. Now you get a bad chilies or anything else. I'm using chili sauce and soy sauce, and that's
Our preference.
our preference, right? And it absolutely will kind of hurt the color of it, but color does not matter. It doesn't matter too much.
No, it's a taste.
And that has a nice orange taste to it.
Mm.
Oh yeah. One last thing. Just a little bit of.
The nutmeg's
vinegar.
not going in it now?
Nope, nutmeg is going in the chicken.
Ah.
When you add stuff in, you need to make sure that you're giving it a good stir.
Yeah.
Now what we're going to do when we're ready to, when the chicken's all done, we're going to heat this back up. And then we're going to put it over everything. Still
Yeah.
have to make the chicken, still have to make the rice.
Yeah.
It's not even 3 o'clock yet.
No.
So it's, we
have lots of time.
I just wanted to get this out of the way and done. How's this look?
Really good.
What we're going to do is we're going to fry the chicken in a little bit of oil. Just get it salted up and done. I'm probably going to cook it in this. It's already seasoned,
Yeah.
as you can see.
We use that a lot.
Yeah, it's an amazing thing. And it'll cook the chicken in no time flat. It's
Yeah.
a really, really quick and easy recipe. Now, if you don't have black garlic powder, you can just chop up some garlic and put it in if you want. Not a big deal. If you like Chinese food, this is probably one of the prime Chinese dishes that you can make.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like orange chicken?
Mm.
You just want to constantly stir it, and I think we're done. So I'm just going to take it off the heat here. But guys, hit that like, share, subscribe button. We do have a new Facebook group, and we are in the process of making some t-shirts and hats and mugs. So stay tuned. You'll see some of those coming up. They're going to be really cool. It's going to be really awesome. This is what making cooking great again is all about. Everybody has soy sauce. You don't need this, but we like it. Everybody should have roasted sesame oil. If you don't, get some. It's good. It's useful. And then, honey. Most people have garlic. So there's a lot of things you can do here, and that really makes it worth it.
Most people have salt, just
Yeah.
not the kind we have.
But use what you have.
Yeah.
That's really all it is. So until next time, please, please, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Chef Amy really appreciates it, and I really appreciate it. And I'll show you what Amy does every time we get a new one. There we go. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe.